Welcome. Today we are solving problems on exponents and the order of operations. Let's break them step by step. Number 1. Here is inside first bracket 7 square minus 9 bracket close divide 8 times 2. So first this one we can write 7 square, it means 49 minus 9, then close bracket divide 8, then again bracket times 2. So 49 minus 9, it means 40 divide 8 close bracket times 2. 40 divide 8, it means 5, then times 2, the answer is 10. Okay, just step by step, no need any hurry. Okay. Number 2, 19 minus 3 start bracket 20 minus 2 to the power 4 minus 7 divide 4 times 8. So we will follow BIDMAS. What does mean? First bracket, then indice, then divide, then multiply, then addition, then subtraction. So here what can we do? 19 minus 3 20 minus, so first we have to work inside bracket. So inside bracket, first thing here is a indice, it means 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 we can write 16, and here is minus 7 divide 4 times 8, then close bracket, right? We can write here. Now here is 19 minus 3 start bracket 20, then minus 16 minus 7, it means 9, right? And this 8 we can divide by 4, it will become 2. So 9 times 2, right? Then here is 19 minus 3, then 20 minus 18, right? Then 19 minus 3, 20 minus 18, it means 2. Okay. Now look, here is 19 minus 3 times 2 means 6. Look, we didn't work 19 minus 3. It's not possible because we are following BIDMAS, where we have to work first multiplication. So 19 minus 6, it will become 13. This is our answer. Okay. Number 3, 72 divide 3 square times 2 divide 6. First what we will do? We will do this indice. So 72 divide 3 square means 9 times 2 divide 6. 72 divide 9, it means 8 times 2 divide 6. So what will the answer? The answer is 6 divide 2 means 3. So answer is 8 divide 3. It's a mixed fraction. If you want, you can do, this is the improper fraction. Sorry, this is the improper fraction. If you want, you can make it mixed fraction, like 8 divide 3, it means 3. So here is 6, so 2. So 2, 2, 3. Okay, both are right answer. Number 4, 5 cube minus 1 by 2 times 12 plus 12 divide 3. So here first 5 cube minus 1 by 2, we have to do first bracket work, and then here is plus and divide, we have to finish first division work. So 12 plus 12 divide 3 means 4, right? Then 5 cube minus 1 by 2 times 12 plus 4 means 16, right? Then look, 16 divide 2, it means what? 4. And here is 5 cube means 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 times 5. It means 125. 125 minus 4, it will be what? Here is one mistake. This is 8, right? 16 divide 2, it means 8. So here is also 8. Our answer is 117. Okay. So number 4 done. Now number 5. Number 5. What is the value of 2c divide a square minus 10 times b plus a divide c, where a equals to minus 2, b equals to minus 3 and c equals to 5. So this one first we can write 2 times 5 because c equals to 5. This c we can write 5. So 2 times 5 divide a means minus 2 and whole square, minus 10 times b plus a, b means 3 and plus a, plus and minus minus 2 divide c, it means 5. Okay. Now 2 times 5 means 10, 10 square means 100, divide minus square means plus, 2 square means 4, minus 10 times 3 minus 2 means 1, divide 5, right? Now look, 100 divide 4, it means 25, we can write here, minus 10 divide 5 means 2, so we can write here. So 25 minus 2, it means 23. This is our answer. Look, first we have to think what you will finish first. That's why we are following BIDMAS. So what is this? First bracket, then indice, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and finally subtraction. Number 6. What is the value of 9 minus 2x divide z minus y whole cube, where x equals to 4, y equals to minus 1 and z equals to minus 3. So we can write 9 minus 2 times x means 4, then divide z means minus 3, then minus, then y means minus 1. So here is first bracket, so we can write here second bracket, and finally whole cube. Now look, 9 minus 2 we cannot do right now. 2 times 4 we know 8, but we cannot do this. First we have to finish bracket work. So here we can write 2 times 4 divide, then minus 3, minus and minus plus 1 cube. 9 minus 2 times 4 divide minus 3 plus 1, it means what? It means minus 2, right? Minus 2. So minus 2 whole cube or minus 2 cube, it means minus 8, right? Now here is multiply and here is division. What we will do first? So as per BIDMAS, we know first bracket work, then indice, then division and multiplication we will do from left to right. So here in left, first is multiply. So 9 minus 8, okay, divide minus 8. So then 9 minus 8 divide minus 8, it means minus 1, right? Then 9 plus 1, the answer is 10. Okay, understand? Have any problem? If you have any problem, just let me know where is your problem in the comments box. So number 6 done. Number 7. What is the value of 7 divide q square times 2 minus p plus 6q minus r divide minus q? Here is p equals to 4, q equals to 1 by 2 and r equals to 2. So first we put the value in this expression. 7 divide q means 1 by 2, then square, times 2 divide 2 p means 4, times minus p, it means minus 4, plus 6 times q means 1 by 2 minus r means 2, right? Then minus q means 1 by 2. Okay, now 1 by 1. 7 divided, here is 1 by 2 square, we can write 1 divide 4. Okay, then times 2, 2 times 4, it means 8, right? Times minus 4, here 6 divide 2, we can write 3. So here is plus 3 minus 2, then minus 1 by 2. Okay, now look, here is first division, then multiplication. So first we have to do division work. So 7 times 4, right? Then times 2 divide 8, times minus 4 plus 3, it means minus 1, and minus 2, it means minus 3, or we can say here is minus 4 minus 2 minus 6, minus 6 plus 3, it means minus 3, then minus 1 by 2. Okay, now look, here is 4 times 2, it means 8, and here is 8, we can out this one, here is only 7, times, then look, here is minus and divide minus, we can out this one, and here is 3, and look, 3 1 divide 2, we can write 3 times 2 because 1 will become denominator. So here is 6. For this one we can write 6. So our answer is 7 times 6, it means 42. Okay, clear? This is our answer. Number 8, and this is our last math in this video. What is the value of c minus 2 times a plus b divide c minus a whole square, where a equals to minus 1 by 2, then b equals to 3 by 2 and c equals to 5 by 2. So first c means 5 divide 2 minus 2, a means minus 1 divide 2, then plus b means 3 divide 2, in denominator c means 5 divide 2 minus a means here is minus, and a also minus 1 by 2, so we can write here minus 1 divide 2 and whole square. Okay, now 5 divide 2 minus 2, and this one we can make LCM, so 2 here is minus 1 plus 3 bracket close, here 5 divide 2 minus and minus, it will become plus, and here is 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, now 5 divide 2 minus 2 times minus 1 plus 3, it means 2 divide 2. Okay, and this one again LCM, which is 2 5 plus 1 whole square. Okay, now look, these 2 and 2 we can out, so here is 5 divide 2 minus 2, and here 5 plus 1 it means 6, 6 divide 2 it means 3, 3 square it means 9. We can write direct, or if you want you can do some extra line. Now here is again LCM, which is 2, so 5 minus 4 divide 9, so now 5 minus 4 it means 1 divide 2 times this 9 will become denominator, so our answer is 1 divide 18. Okay, done. So very easy way, step by step we try to complete this 8 math in this video, basis of exponents and order of operations. We are following BIDMAS. B is a bracket, I is indice, which is a to the power n like this. It's a division, it's a multiplication, this is a addition, and this is a subtraction. Okay, thank you. One more thing, don't forget to subscribe the channel.